first ever pop-up shop in Jacksonville, Florida. Can I hear somebody say Dubai? Yeah. So it's me, my girl Nikki, and my goddaughter Bree. We finna go down here and show up and show out. Meet some great women who are young, successful entrepreneurs and business owners. This is my first pop-up shop. I'm kind of nervous. I hope the people love my stuff. Y'all know my brand name is It's Love Worthy. So every item that I have in my inventory, I feel is love worthy, and I feel like every woman would love it. They would like to rock it. So yeah, if any of you didn't know, I started my brand. Well, I launched my brand in February 2020. And then COVID. To create a blog, I lost my inspiration, but throughout COVID, God told me to keep going, and I'm still working on the same vision. I'm still pushing the same things, but I'm doing it in a different way now. We're back out here in these streets. It's back popping, but we got a little drive, so we're finna vibe out in the car. I will talk to y'all or see y'all at the event when we start setting up. What's up, YouTube? You already know what's going on. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, at my first ever pop-up shop. Check out some of the items. Check us out on the website at subjects-bydesign.com. Okay? Thank you.
Located in Jacksonville, Florida, right here in Dubai.
Yes, y'all shop with her, y'all. Right now.
This is Trap Meats. We have different lash styles and lip glosses. We have 10, 12, and 15. It all goes up to 30 mm lashes and meat. Yeah.
Lip glosses are $7.50, 2 for $12.
Hey everybody, Pretty Girl Styles, located in Jacksonville, Florida. I do purses, bangles, necklaces, lashes, bonnets, headbands. I got the chain bracelets, keychains. I do the self-defense keychains as well. Them custom made. But if you want that, the pepper spray, the taser, that can be done. On my Instagram, Pretty Girl Styles and Pretty Girl _T. My Facebook business page is Pretty Girl Styles as well. And then that's how it's spelled. Hey y'all, my name is Kaya and I own Barbie Trap House Collection. And I just sell many stuff like hair clips, shades, lip glosses, necklaces, and lashes and headbands. And I'm located on the west side of Jacksonville, so if you want to shop, come shop. And I deliver, yeah.
Hey everyone, my name is Shamika Foster. I'm the owner of Meat Boutique. I just sell clothes, which is over here. I sell my shirts, my brand. I sell necklace, zodiac signs, headbands, and hair clips, accessories, clothes, and shoes. I also have bathing suits as well. My Instagram is meat_boutique and Facebook is Shamika Foster Meat Boutique.
Hi, my name is Nia. This is Pretty Kisses and Things. Come check us out. Come check me out. Pretty Kisses and Things on IG or Facebook. I have cans
fruity smells. You can pick your scent. Soy candles, joy gel candles, and couple clothing items. Shipping, delivery is all available. We have bundle deals, everything reasonable price from $4 on up.
Thank you.
Thank you.